Hi, kitty. Oh, look, another kitty. Oh, and another. And another cat. Okay, dude, we get it. You like cats. Like I said, everybody loves to take pictures. And that's exactly why you need me, the Galaxy S6. I have an f1.9 camera lens. Wait, there's more. Front and back. It's like having your high beams on along a dark stretch of road. Was that? Nah, come on. My f1.9 lens gives you impossibly bright pics. All right, that's gonna be a good one. Hey, and thanks to real-time HDR, you can see how vivid your selfies are gonna be before you take them. Girls, you might wanna try a different pose. It's a little bumpy in here, right? Probably hard to take a good shot. Nope, not if you have smart OIS. It's like a Steadicam. It keeps the motion under control, so you can take clear pics no matter what the situation. Oh, do we ruin your scene? Sorry about that. Love your work, man. Oh, and speaking of motion, check out these ladies. Tracking AF will help with that. Yes, Tracking AF. It's like that. Okay, I could watch this for hours. Even with a lot of motion, the subject is always in focus. Yikes, girls, grab a lemonade. Little time out. So, what do you think? I'm pretty impressive when it comes to Tracking AF. It's like that. Okay, I could watch this for hours. Even with a lot of motion, the subject is always in focus. Yikes, girls, grab a lemonade. Little time out. So, what do you think? I'm pretty impressive when it comes to pictures and, pretty much everything else. I think you're gonna love me as much as you love you. And when you do, you can just call me the smartphone of your dreams. I'm cool with that. Samsung Galaxy S6. Next is now.